So today I did my very first live stream, was really excited about that. If you haven't seen it, you can check out the full video right here. I plan on doing these multiple times a week. I'm not sure exactly how many yet, but today I wanted to share with you the execution that I took and the explanation behind the execution in this video. So stay tuned and enjoy. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna set my stop. We're at 53, 43, it's 10 handles. That would be my target. I have this relatively close because we could just blow right through it if we want to go higher. But this is what I like to see. We could push up higher still and wait till that 45 macro. Once we hit this low right here, I'm probably going to move my stop to break even because I just don't know what price is going to do. Right there. Once we hit that low, I'm probably going to move this buy stop to break even just to protect myself. And this is my target for 10 handles right here. We could just push right back up because we aren't in that macro. I see this happen too often. If we're before the macro, it will not go all the way down. It will not push lower. It will just reverse and consolidate until we hit that macro, and then it starts to run. And so we could see that happen right here, which is why it would be nice for it to just run right now. That'd be really nice. Come on, baby. Give me 10 handles right here. Come on, there it is. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about right there, baby. That just looked too pretty. I mean, it just looks so good and it's so enticing not to. We're not in that macro yet. So this is what triggered this idea. We hit these equal highs. These equal highs now give me higher conviction that if my setup shows up, I'm going to take it. That's the model that I take. We hit these equal highs. We have this fair value gap. That is the breaker. This is the breaker box right here. But I like to see a fair value gap to the left of the breaker. So you see price goes higher and then it comes back down and it fills in this fair value gap and then pushes higher. Immediately, I'm looking at this level right here. This is the market structure shift level. But the breaker, it's the bearish candle with the lowest close. So this is the breaker right there. So we see price go low, go higher. We come down a little bit. We don't break this. So I'm like, okay, we're going to sit here and wait. And then guess what we do? We go up and we run these equal highs. The algorithm has permission to move lower because it grabbed liquidity. Now it wants to distribute that liquidity to the downside. So when price comes down and then breaks below this swing low, I'm looking for price to come into this breaker, and that breaker is this breaker box right here. Anywhere in that breaker box, you have permission to go short. And that's why I got in right there, guys. I mean, I'll put on my executions if you weren't here for the trade. That's my executions. So I got in on the actual candle before the move. I mean, it just looked too stinking good, guys. I mean, it's just too good. So overall, great trade. I was a little nervous taking it on stream because there was actually people watching. I was really surprised, but we had a great time. I was on for 2.5 hours, much longer than I expected. But if you would like more videos like this, consider liking, subscribing. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.